Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new chapter of the Photoshop tutorial series. Today I'm going to teach you all about the second three tools about in Photoshop. And today I'm going to teach you about the quick selection tool, eyedropper tool, and the crop tool. Actually, these three tools are a little bit simple, but I'm going to teach you all the basics about these three tools and this is the episode 3 of Photoshop tutorial series. And before this video, make sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment to my video. And before watching this video, make sure to watch the second and the first video. The links for those two videos are down in the description. Now let's get into the tutorial. Now guys, as I said, I use Photoshop CC 2019. If you all are using big versions like 2021 or 2020, it's okay. Today I'm going to teach you. I mentioned in the last video and in the beginning of this video. Today I'm going to teach you all about the quick selection tool, crop tool, and the eyedropper tool. Now let's get into it. Now first of all, I'm opening my Photoshop. Then you guys can see I am using this image to teach you all about the tutorial. Then now um, in the last video I teach about the move tool, marquee tool, and the lasso tool. Today I'm going to teach you about the magic wand tool, crop tool, and the eyedropper tool. Now let's get into it. Now first you all guys can see now first I'm going to teach you where to find the quick selection tool. The tool behind, not the tool down the lasso tool is the quick selection tool. The quick selection, if you want to for an example, if you want to remove the man from the photo, if you want to take a duplication from the man, you can use the quick selection tool. It's easier. It's a similar tool for the lasso tool. Now let's start how to do work with quick selection tool. First of all, I am zooming my image. The way to zoom it on the keyboard is Control plus mark. Okay, then now it's enough. Now guys, this is the quick selection tool. Now you need to do like this, right? You need to press on the man like this. So now you guys can see the man is marked. Like this. The man is marked. Then okay. Okay, now it's great. Now all you need to do is press Ctrl J. Okay, now you guys can see I'm going to the move tool. So you guys can see a duplication from the image has been arrived. If you want to remove only the short, if you want to erase this, you can use the lasso tool. Okay, and I forgot to tell one thing. If you the shortcut key of the quick selection tool is W. Okay, now hope you all understand about the quick selection tool. Now let's talk about the magic wand tool. It's down. It's a part of the quick selection tool. Magic wand tool is behind the magic quick selection tool. The way you need to unlock it is go to a quick selection tool and right click click it and see, then magic wand tool. Okay, now
first going to delete the duplicate image, then delete key. You need to press delete key if you want to delete. Now let's go to the magic wand tool. Now let's see. Actually, it's adapted to only a one color. Look, if I touch the sky, only the touch is marked. If you want to mark the whole image, I mean a whole image except the man, the way you need to do is you need to press the background while pressing shift. Okay, when I press shift, you guys can see a plus mark arrive near the magic wand tool cursor. Now let's mark and see. Okay, now you guys can see the mark stretched a little bit. Now I'm going to do the same with it. I'm going to do it roughly. You all can save time and do it accurately. I need to. I'm doing it roughly. Okay. There are small things you need to correct it. Okay, now it's a little bit better. Okay, now my selection is over. Now you need to press Ctrl J. Okay, now let's see what kind of image has been arrived. Okay, now it's a little bit unsuccessful, but if you are, I did it roughly, you can do it accurately by saving time. Like this is good, but only a little bit stretched, erased from the man. The other background is completely successful, but you can do better than me by saving your time and do it accurately. Now let's talk about the crop tool. Now first I'm going to delete the layer. Yes. Okay, then crop tool shortcut is C. I'm going to talk about the crop tool and the perspective tool. Crop tool, I am not going to talk about the slice tool and slice select tool because they are not essential for your. Okay, crop tool means that now your image is a bit larger for you. If you want to make it like a small image, only taking the man, the way you need to do is go to crop tool. Then I'm going to zoom it out. Then if you press crop tool, you guys can see a small frame has been added around the image. Alright. If you want to crop the image, you can do it by typing like this. I'm going to type 4 here, then 6. Then you guys can see the image has been a little bit more thinner. Now I'm going to press enter on my keyboard. Sorry, enter. Okay, alright. Now you guys can see it's a little bit thinner and the other the layer frame background disappeared. Another way you can do it easily is you need to go to the crop tool again. Then you can do like this. You can do it by your cursor. Yeah, I'm only taking the man. Okay, now the man, now press enter. Okay, now you guys can see only the man has been captured because I did it by my cursor. You can, if the typing way is easy, you can do it like that. Frame tool is also like that. I mean, you can draw a frame like this, right? You can do like that. I'm not going to talk about the frame tool. Now let's go to perspective tool. Now wait, we can do like this. it's like it's also an advanced one. It's not good, actually. It's not essential for beginners, so I'm not going to talk about that. Actually, it's a 3D thing. Actually, I will talk about the perspective tool in a separate video, because it's a little bit advanced for you all now. So I will teach you all about that. Okay, now you all know what the crop tool, normal crop tool does. Now let's talk about the last tool, that is eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool, right? Eyedropper tool. Okay, now you want the accurate color of the sky to a background, separate background. The way you need to do is, I'm going to make a new document. I'm going to give the default Photoshop size, then write that. Now I want to make the color accurate color of the other images sky. The way now go to I need to take this color, then press blue color, this color, then I'm going to press here. Okay, now you guys can see the blue color has been actually the color has been changed of the foreground color. Now let's go to the background and go to the paint bucket tool. Shortcut is G, then I'm going to press it one. Okay, now you guys can see the background's color has been changed to the color of the man's jacket. Okay, that that work is done by the eyedropper tool and the paint bucket tool. So hope you all can understand about the eyedropper tool, and the shortcut key for the eyedropper tool is I. I'm not going to talk about the other 5 tools because it's not essential. I will do an advanced tutorial series after the beginner series. First watch the beginner, then watch the advanced, then you can be a professional artist of Photoshop. Now hope you guys understand about the tutorial. In the next video I'm going to talk about the spot healing brush tool, and the clone stamp tool, right? The next episode 4 is gonna be interesting for you all guys. Hope you understand this tutorial, and I'm going to end this video. Before I'm ending this video, I'm reminding you all again, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a thumbs up. Oh, I forgot to tell another thing. I made a Instagram account because I can't post community posts on YouTube, so make sure to follow my Instagram account also. The link for my Instagram account will be down in the description, so follow that also, and subscribe my channel, like, and leave a comment to my video. So hope you understand this tutorial. See you all in the next video episode. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.